My name's Jo Fairlie, and in 1991 I sank my £20,000 life savings into founding the world's first organic chocolate brand, Green & Black's, and we now sell millions of pounds worth of chocolate every single month. Before I launched Green & Black's, I was a journalist. I was used to writing about other people doing exciting things. I never imagined I'd have something of my own. My husband was working in the natural food business, and one day I walked into his office and I found 2 squares of dark chocolate sitting on Craig's desk. Obviously, I ate it. This is Maya Gold, the very first fair trade marked product in the UK. And this taste explosion went off in my mouth, and I thought, oh my God, this is the most delicious chocolate I've ever eaten. He turned around and said, look, if you're so interested, why don't you do it? And that was my diving board moment. That was standing on the edge of the diving board and wondering if I didn't do it, would it always haunt me? So I went to the edge of the diving board, I dived off and have had the most incredible adventure.